how big of a mistake I don't think you realize how bad this is. Yeah.
You had to mark me. But you can't pull out your...
I'm just... Can I use it to break barricades?
Yeah, you can.
I just want to use it to break barricades. Since you're only using a shotgun. No way. What am I doing? Wait, I just realized I can't use my shotgun when I'm using this.
So I can jump on you.
Doesn't matter. But this is a lot harder than I thought. Wait, Deimos shotgun is different from...
Yeah, from other shotguns.
It does less damage to barricades.
Where's both things?
I'm dead.
Let's go.
I think it flips at 3, I don't know. Yeah, it does flip at 3.
Alright, so
2 or 3.
So, oh wait, no, it just stays.
Wait, that's weird.
I
Why did
already
it
know
flip?
where I'm going. Wait,
Where could I go here? Yes. Definitely this.
You're sad. Oh, you're probably Cade.
No.
That's such a good job though for this.
Yeah, I know.
Where's Rusty at? So we're leaving.
Yep. They didn't scam me though, so you're not Deimos.
Yeah, I don't need it. Aura.
How was that aura? Deimos isn't even that good. Shotgun only. His shotgun's not good. His shotgun is disgustingly mid. Took me like 7 shots to break it barricaded big enough. Maru, okay. Yeah.
Oh, wait, how much damage did I
One shot.
you?
They one shots.
My shotgun must not like. Just not that good. What?
Oh, you've got to be kidding me! Not that thing. Dude, that thing is so scary.
He's using Gamma because he's marking, and you don't really need to mark me because now I'm looking for a crown. And he knows not to red ping. So. That's he's just doing whatever, but I think so.
Watch your words, boy.
I'm barricaded almost everything off. I am the site. I am my printer. I shall my printer. Oh, where's this music thing? I forgot.
That's Aura.
Ah, shit.
Look at this. Oh my,
I'm so. How you
oh
shot
my
away?
god.
I was so confused. I'm not even gonna lie. What does this go to?
Whoever gets to 5, I think.
Didn't I'm down. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? 7. I just damn it. I don't know how it.
And we're cooked. Cause you just sang a song. That's copyrighted.
No, that's spot. Casey says it every single day. What are you talking about?
Let's be careful.
You know how many times Yankee sings a single song in one stream? 3,000. Wait, who is this?
Where's your drone?
Oh,
I heard that you're up front. You can shoot front cams? Okay. Oh no, not the boss G. I'm cooked. He has no range. Of course.
oh, what?
Let's go.
Bro, you gave me a heart attack. Oh my god. My heart.
That was so scary. The Bashi is so scary.
Oh, that shit scared me really bad.
Dude, I'm terrified of the Bashi. The fact that it can just one-shot you is so scary. Not upstairs? Okay. Oh, I know where you are now. You're not, you're in basement. Yeah. Yep. No. Did you just try to spawn peek?
Oh, wow.
Nothing. I'm sorry, did you?
I stood up, bro. I was looking at you.
That reaction time is diabolical.
Bro, I
Holy.
stood up. Why didn't I stand up?
Well, that's it.